Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code in the Bigo Live app step by step. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, go to your app store and search for Bigo Live. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version, because some features may not work properly on older versions. Once the app is updated, simply open the Bigo Live app on your device. After that, go to the Me section, which is usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. This will open the settings menu. Next, scroll all the way down until you find the option called Scan QR Code. Once you see it, tap on it. Now your camera will open and you can easily scan any QR code directly from the app. This feature is useful for quickly adding friends, joining streams, or accessing specific content using a QR code. And that's it. That's how you can scan a QR code in Bigo Live. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.